Hailing the river goddess, these holy men and millions of ordinary people have thronged to the Kumbh Mela at Allahabad, said to be the largest gathering of humanity in the world, to take a dip in the waters of Sangam, the confluence of rivers Ganges and Yamuna, considered sacred by Hindus. People believe that bathing here will cleanse their souls.
Heaven will not be more than this, which I enjoyed today. This is my happiest day in my life. Proud.
We come here to see holy men, saints and also foreign tourists.
Festival authorities expect around 100 million people to visit Allahabad, peaking at 30 million in a single day. People come from across India as well as visitors from abroad, the rich and the very poor. A massive tented city has been created over 20,000 square kilometers and 30,000 tons of food grain have been procured. Nearly 40,000 toilets have also been built and 550 kilometers of water pipelines laid. 30,000 policemen will be on duty through the Kumbh Mela. Government expenditure on the festival runs into $220 million.
If you include all the contractual and the regular staff, at least 100,000 people are employed within the Mela area, and equal number have been employed. The services are being used outside the Mela area to support the Mela. And but apart from that, it is expected that whatever we are investing, at least 15 to 20 times more business is being developed around, and employment has been generated through various means once there's a surge of pilgrims for 2 months.
The government has spent millions of dollars organizing this event, but it's also delivering a boost for the local economy. Industry body ASSOCHAM estimates that the Kumbh Mela will generate around $2.5 billion worth of business, with airlines, hotels, travel companies and particularly the informal sector benefiting the most. It's also a good business opportunity for a big snacks vendor like this one. Bikaner Wala has 44 stores across northern India and outlets in London and Singapore too. The sheer scale of the Kumbh Mela gives it exposure to millions of potential customers.
People from all over the world come here, and that's why we thought we should showcase our brand at the Mela, and also to give people the option of hygienic and good quality food in this chaotic environment.
It is faith that draws millions here to Allahabad once every 12 years. And in many